Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe a competition you would like to take part in. Let's begin with the cue card. Describe a competition you would like to take part in. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say what kind of competition it is, what would you do in this competition, why does this competition interest you. So let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, competitions play an important role in people's lives because they get motivation to achieve their targets. Here, I would like to talk about a chess competition in which I really like to take part. Actually, there is an annual competition organized by a local club in my city, mainly to promote indoor and outdoor sports like carom board, chess, painting, badminton, volleyball, football, etc. It is usually held between June and July, so individuals can utilize their summer holidays productively. Many players from our state come to participate in this, which makes it a very tough competition. Last year, my friend took part in a painting competition and he luckily won the prize first. So, he received a small trophy as well as some cash as a reward. As I'm really good at chess, I'm thinking of participating in this time. I still have almost 2 months to prepare myself for this competition. In order to sharpen my chess skills, I play it online on my mobile every day in my leisure time. At the same time, I am reading blogs online regarding chess competitions to learn some tricks and rules which might be helpful for me to win this competition. To be honest, I am not participating to win a trophy or cash. I just want to assess my skills. I have already made my entry for this chess competition. Now I am eagerly waiting for it so I can participate and try my best to win this chess competition. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at the follow-ups that can be asked by the examiner. The very first one is, what kinds of people are competitive? I think almost all people have some sense of competition because no one wants to stay below others. People want to see themselves achieving their goals and stand above others, so they have to compete with others. For example, students compete with their classmates to get more marks, and employees compete with their colleagues to get promotion. Next question is, what kind of activities or competitions people like to take part in? I would say individuals like to take part in all kinds of competitions. So it's up to the individual in which competition they want to participate. People compete in activities like singing, debate, drawing, indoor and outdoor games. What kinds of competitions are popular in your hometown? There are many types of competitions like dancing, singing, writing, painting, weightlifting, etc. There are some clubs and communities which organize such events and games in which people like to take part. Next question is, why do you think there are many competition programs on TV today? As far as I know, competition programs are more on TV because people like to watch such type of shows. These shows are based on reality and competition, so they get more viewers as compared to the scripted shows. Moreover, due to the increasing popularity of such shows, producers invest more money to bring such programs. So these were the follow-ups that can be asked by the examiner. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.